Good morning, students. I'm Meenakshi Beri, your maths teacher, going to teach you unitary method, lesson 12. Unitary method means find the price of one thing. Unit means one. Children, when you have to find out the price of one thing, always you have to use the unitary method. How can you find out the price of one thing? By dividing the given numbers. By dividing the given numbers, we can find out the value of one thing. And this method is called unitary method. This method is called unitary method. The price of one thing is equal to the price of a given number of things divided the number of things. The price of one thing is equal to the price of a given number of things divided the number of things. The price of certain number of things is equal to the price of one thing multiplied by number of things. The price of certain number of things is equal to the price of one thing multiplied by number of things. Okay? By following the rules, we can find out the price of one thing. Okay? Now, with the help of this example, you are able to understand it more clearly. Suppose you buy 4 exercise books of rupees 80. You buy 4 exercise books of rupees 80. Then the price of one exercise book. You have to find out the price of one exercise book. Children, how can you find out the price of one exercise book? Yes, by dividing the given numbers. We can find out the price of one exercise book by dividing the given number. That means, which two numbers are given? 4 and 80. Okay. Now divide 80 with 4. We will get the answer 20. What is 20? The price of one exercise book. 20 is the price of one exercise book. Now, we will do the rules of unitary method. First rule, find the price of 1 by dividing. Find the price of 1 by dividing. Rule 2, find the price of number you need by multiplying. Find the price of number you need by multiplying. First divide, then multiply. First divide, then multiply. Method of finding the price of the number you need from the price of a given number by first finding the price of a unit or one is called the unitary method. Method of finding the price of the number you need from the price of a given number by first finding the price of a unit or one is called the unitary method of or one is called the unitary method. Whenever you have to find the price of one thing, this method is called unitary method. Unit means 1. Unit means 1. Unit means 1. Whenever you have to find out the value of 1, this method is called unitary method. Now, let us see one more example. A tailor uses 12 meter of cloth to make 4 curtains of the same size. How much cloth will he need to make 10 such curtains? First step, to make 4 curtains, cloth needed is equal to 12 meter. Always you have to write on the steps. Okay, first step, to make 4 curtains, cloth needed is equal to 12 meter. So, to make 1 curtain, cloth needed is equal to 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3 meter. Right? Then, to make 1 curtain, the cloth needed is equal to 3 meter. So, to make 10 curtains, the cloth needed is equal to 3 meter multiplied by 10 is equal to 30 meter. Is equal to 30 meter. Right? First divide, then multiply. Let us see one more example. A package of 4 copies of a book weighs 800 grams. How much will 15 copies of the book weigh? A package of 4 copies of a book weighs 800 grams. How much will 15 copies of the book weigh? Okay. 4 copies of the book weigh is equal to 800 grams. 1 copy of the book weigh 800 divided by 4. That means 200 grams. 1 copy of the book weighs is equal to 200 grams. So, 15 copies of the book weighs is equal to 200 multiplied by 15. You will get the answer 3000 grams. Okay? Answer is 3000 grams. 3000 grams. Okay? Now, let us see one more example. An aeroplane takes 3 hours to cover 1800 kilometers. What distance will it cover in 5 hours? In 3 hours, the plane covers is equal to 1800 kilometers. So, in 1 hour, it will cover 1800 divided by 3 is equal to 600 kilometers. In 1 hour, the plane covers is equal to 1600 kilometers. So, in 5 hours, it will cover 600 kilometers multiplied by 5 is equal to 3000 kilometers. Let us see one more example. Eggs cost rupees 36 per dozen. How much will 18 eggs cost? Per dozen means 12. Okay, 1 dozen is equal to 12 eggs. The cost of 12 eggs is equal to rupees 36. So, the cost of 1 egg is equal to rupees 36 divided by 12 is equal to rupees 3. Now, find out the cost of 18 eggs. Then cost of 18 eggs is equal to 18 multiplied by 3 is equal to rupees 54 is equal to rupees 50. Let us see one more example. 4 bus tickets from Moregaon to Sonagar cost rupees 720. How much will 10 tickets cost? Then cost of 4 tickets is equal to rupees 720. Cost of 1 ticket is equal to rupees 720 divided by 4 is equal to rupees 180. Then cost of 10 tickets is equal to 180 multiplied by 10 is equal to rupees 1800. Now students, try to solve more questions with the help of unitary method rule. Thank you and have a nice day.